Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Zeeba Basmati rice perfectly. First, measure 1 cup of Zeeba Basmati rice. Rinse it under cool running water until the water is completely clear, which usually takes about 3 to 4 rinses. This step removes extra starch, preventing stickiness. Next, soak the rice in 2 cups of fresh water for at least 30 minutes or up to 1 hour to ensure even cooking and longer grains. Now, let's cook. After soaking, drain the rice completely. In a heavy-bottomed pot, combine 1 cup of the drained rice with 1 3/4 cups of fresh water. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of your preferred oil or butter for enhanced flavor and separation. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting and cover the pot tightly. It's crucial to let the rice simmer undisturbed. Cook the covered rice on low heat for exactly 15 minutes. Do not lift the lid during this time, as escaping steam affects the cooking process. Once the 15 minutes are up, remove the pot from the heat source. Keep the lid on and let the rice rest for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period is vital for the grains to fully absorb moisture and become perfectly fluffy. Finally, the moment of truth. After the 10-minute resting period, carefully remove the lid. Using a fork, gently fluff the rice to separate the long, distinct grains. Avoid using a spoon as it can mash the delicate rice. Your perfectly cooked Zeeba Basmati rice is now ready to be served. Enjoy its beautiful aroma, fluffy texture, and delicious taste alongside your favorite curries or main dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.